This is Cindy Presgraves. I'm with Cindy's Realty Group by Virtual Properties Realty here in Georgia, and I am showing you, I'm here today at Mundy Mill Township. So this is actually across the Mundy Mill subdivision. So I just want to show you these beautiful townhouses. They have six floor plans, and not only that, they also going to have a section for 55 and up. They're offering $4,000 in closing costs. This is just a brand new subdivision, so houses, they're going to have a few available mid-July. So if you guys have any questions, any concerns, please let me know. I'm going to give you a raw tour because the properties have not been done. But these, look in the back, they have 2-car garages, and some of these they have 4 bedrooms, and some of them have 3 bathrooms. So this community has, it's almost $67 a month in HOA, which is awesome. They're still under construction. The ones that have, that's going to be more of the section of 55 and older community, it's going to be the ones over there. So you see those are the ones that are going to have a master on main. I just wanted to let you know that is an option. I'm going to show you this one, a little bit of history. They also have a the sections are also like floor plans by the sections are like lake names. So I'm going to show you this one. Okay, so going through the door, this one's going to have a bathroom. So this is where the bathroom's going to be, half bathroom. We have here the kitchen. I love the cabinetry. I love the color because it's modern, it's unique, and I like the modern technology. But then you also have the pantry here. So it's a small pantry, but it's amazing. These townhouses run between 1,600 and 1,700 square feet. This one's going to be a beautiful breakfast bar. It does come with the microwave stove. It also has, if you look at this, it also has the alternative for gas or electric. I'm not so sure which ones are they going to put. And also the dishwasher will be going on the island. It has a gas fireplace. About this section, I'm going to show you the outside. It's going to have a green space. It also has a gazebo, and they're going to have a pool. So the pool is going to be over there. I don't know if you see that. So this is going to be a little bit of green space. It's going to have some trails. It's going to be a really nice community. We're talking about 158 units in this townhouse subdivision. So in here, I'm going to go show you upstairs. It doesn't have any electricity, but I'm going to show you a little bit so you can see what the floor plan looks. So this one, I can't remember what floor plan it is, but this one's going to have a full bathroom when you come in from the stairs. To your left side, you're going to have, right side, laundry, washer and dryer. Then you're going to have here, walking a little bit further, you're going to have the first bedroom, closet. Like I said, this is basically, so it doesn't have any shelving. We're still in the very, very preliminary stages of the construction. And this is a master bedroom. So all bedrooms in this floor plan are upstairs. This one has a full bathroom and the walk-in closet in the back. See over there? This one has a walk-in shower. Toilet there. No countertops yet, but they're going to have granite countertops, which is awesome. Then you're going to have 2 bedrooms side by side, which is nice. They're pretty good size bedroom. And we have this here. Okay, so for the properties that I'm actually showing you right now, the ones that are going to be done mid-July, I would say you cannot pick out anything because they have already picked out the sections and all that. But if you have any questions, any concerns, please feel free to give me a call. My name is Cindy Presgraves. I'm with Cindy's Realty Group, and my phone number is 678-650-1425. And if you have any questions, any concerns, please let me know. And this is Mundy Mill Townships of Mundy Mill.